The Together Tacit project originated in 2018. Our sponsor, Professor Calora, arranged a tour at the Palmer Art Museum where she guided members of the sight loss support group to physically interact with two of her sculptures. She realized that there was a gap in communication between what the seeing sculptor had intended and what the blind or low vision audience was experiencing. She felt that there was an opportunity to create a bridge between the seeing sculptor and the audience. The goal of the project is to create tools and a creative space that is accessible to the visually impaired artist. The team looked at fall semester's design to understand how virtual reality and a haptic glove could work together to create an interactive environment that can be used for creating art. With our first prototype, we made a glove that was comfortable and had functional haptic motors. This prototype incorporated the previous team's work to integrate bend sensors for finger tracking. Haptic motors were fitted to the fingertips to test different haptic patterns. We met with our sponsors to get feedback on how to make the glove better for creation in virtual reality. From their feedback, our top priorities were to change the bend sensors to stretch fabric and to combine all the electronics into a single package on the back of the hand. The team went and redesigned using feedback from the first glove and adapted the design to be more refined and comfortable. The current design is a 3D printed enclosure with stretch fabric stitched to the glove. The team purchased an Oculus Quest for virtual reality integration. We're excited to combine the haptic glove and Oculus Quest to show how the virtual world can be used in a more creative way than ever before. The haptic glove creates a sense of presence as the user moves, feels, and interacts with the virtual space in real time. Using the haptic glove, low-vision individuals can create and interact with the virtual content using their hands alone. The haptic glove enhances accessibility through its unique tactile feedback system, which makes it possible for low-vision individuals to be easily able to express themselves freely. This project allows participants to collaborate with other people on their projects, as well as give opportunities to marginalized groups into creative endeavors. Together Tacit is looking forward to more collaborative art tools and creations that everyone can enjoy.